Hello and welcome to the GBC Productions channel. This is episode 68. In this video, I will be taking apart an old video game system. This particular one is like a Pong game. It's called Adversary and is by National Semiconductors. Now here we have a game select button that'll select through the games and then our power on off. On the back here we have RF out, power in, and it looks like we also have the 75 ohm RF and the 300 ohm. Now on the bottom here there is a single player mode switch. And over here is the channel 3-4 switch. And here's what one of the controllers looks like. A lever for up, down, and then a reset button. Now before I take this apart, let's turn it on and see if it even works. Well, there is something here. Let me zoom in on the screen. I'm going to see what the game select button does. It looks like there's 3 different games. So the controller will move the paddle up and down. And when I press restart, the game started. Now I'm not going to really play this game, I'm just going to kind of figure out what's going on here. Anyway, enough of that. Let's get inside this thing. I'm going to pause for a moment and get this TV out of here, and we'll start taking it apart. Now the power supply for this is nothing but a standard wall wart from this era. There isn't too much to see on this. We're not going inside of it. It'll probably just be a transformer and a bridge rectifier. Now let's take a look inside of the star of the show. Now it looks like I may void the warranty. Not like that really matters, considering that probably expired 40 plus years ago. Hopefully while we're in here we can find a production date. Okay, here goes. We're voiding the warranty. Void. Now this is the channel 3-4 switch. Now I'll just move the screws out of the way. Now there's an RF shield I gotta take off. We can also see some adjustments. There's a big old filter capacitor there. Oh, here's a date. 1976. So I don't think I have to worry about the warranty anymore. So under this RF shield, there really isn't all that much in here. Little closer look at this IC. And another one over here. Here's a very interesting looking heatsink. Let me pull this out of here. We'll look at the underside, see if there's any surprises. Nothing too surprising. And here's where one of the two controllers hooks up. Being that it's 3 wires, it's probably just going to be a potentiometer. And the button on the controller will probably just jumper across a couple of the leads. So I'm going to pause for a minute, I'm going to put this back together, and then we'll take a look inside of a controller. So I have the console back together, and here's one of the controllers, and let me see if we can get inside. It looks like there's just 4 plastic clips here. Now I want to be super careful on account of the age of this plastic. And I made it. So yeah, we can see there is a potentiometer in here. Now they're only using 2 of the terminals on the potentiometer. The 3rd pin is floating. And it looks like the 3rd wire is part of the reset button. And here we can see it shorts out these 2 when you press the button. And the movement of the potentiometer is just like that. And there we are. Don't forget to subscribe for more, mash that like button, and comment below. Until next time, this is Uncle D from GBC Productions, signing off.